Welcome back to a video of me recreating every single granny square from the Ultimate Granny Square sourcebook. Today's granny square is the 80 stitch classic square. So it's a nice classic square. It's going to be super easy. This little metal piece is so smart. Now it's holding my book perfectly. I've got my yarn right here, so let's get started. Having issues with this square. First off, I have a pattern I already like for granny squares that are like the classic granny square type. I like them to be tighter, and this is a little bit looser, so I'm not loving that. Also, the middle has longer stitches than the second round. These are double crochets, whereas these are like TR, I don't know how to say that, but TR crochets. That's okay, we're going to keep going. I am loving how fast this is working up. That's something that's great about this square. Now, I didn't really have the right pink. This is a little too dark, but I think it's fine. It's okay if the colors are not perfect. You come back here. Okay, why is this so difficult to unwind without it falling? Please stop. Okay, so now I've got the pink done, and again, the pink has longer stitches than the white, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. It kind of feels uneven. I like things to be even visually, I guess is what I'm coming at. Am I the only one who gets really itchy in the nose when I crochet? I just feel like there's so much fluff in the air and it just like goes right up. It's a little annoying. It's done! Essentially, it took me 25 minutes and I finished the square, so that was really fast, which I really appreciate. I'm just going to weave in these ends and I'll be right back. Here we go. This is what it looks like. I will say, again, not my favorite type of classic granny square, just because the holes are so prominent. I don't know if that's the word in English. I don't hate it, I just don't love it. I also don't love the colors, but maybe that was just a mistake on my end and I should have just gone with colors that I actually would like in a granny square. Notice how these are longer than these. These are TR and these are DC. And to me, I feel like a granny square would look better if they were all the same. So all DC or all TR. Although TRs in general are just a little long in my personal opinion. So anyway, not my favorite granny square, but at least it only took like barely 30 minutes. So that was nice and quick. And I'll be very excited to work on the next project, hopefully. Yes, definitely. All right, well, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.